Good morning, guys. So it is Vlogmas day 3 and it's like 11:40, but I am cooking. Well, not cooking, but I'm marinating some ribs to cook for today. So this is how we're going to start off Vlogmas day 3. I just wanted to show you guys these ribs really quickly. So I'm going to let these marinate for a few hours, and then we're going to cook these babies up a little bit later. I will have the recipe for everything that I put on them down in the description box below, or either I'll probably put it in the actual clip so that you guys will know everything that I put in my ribs. And yeah. So I know I'm probably looking like yesterday. I just have on the hoodie that I had on yesterday. I do have on different bottoms. As you guys can see, I got on my PJs. But today will consist of a lot of organizing. All those groceries that I went to the store yesterday and bought, y'all, I didn't put any of them up. I didn't. They're still in my trunk because remember that, let me show y'all, that little canister thing that I bought, I want to put in here. Let me show y'all. So this is my pantry right now. Don't judge me. It looks really crazy. Like, I usually have this thing organized, but between me and the kids and just, I don't know, life, it is not organized at all. So I am going to take everything out of here today, and I'm going to organize all of this. Like, look at all of this. We got stuff everywhere. That's for my mom. That's not for me. But yeah, I'm just going to organize all of this because it's driving me crazy. And to know me is to know that I am slightly OCD. So right here, once I move all of this stuff out of here, like all of this here, I plan to put that, the little shelving unit that I bought yesterday from Sam's, I plan to put that here. So I am going to, hopefully, I'm praying that it will fit. I think it will. I think it's tall enough. You know, so I think that will work here. But yeah, guys, we are going to do some good old organizing because my pantry don't look like this. And anybody that knows me knows that my pantry does not look like this. So it is really driving me crazy that it does. So today, guys, we are doing some organization, okay? And I'm going to take you guys along for that ride. It's dark in here like this. Lighting sucks. I mean, it's good right here. Good lighting right here. So, yeah, but we're going to organize everything. Y'all, do y'all watch this show? This is, Sisters. She is irking my nerves. She really is. And him, too. Like, how you got a whole wife? You put me in jeopardy of losing everything and get you questioning me. And I'm trying to help you. Boy, I tell you. Men. She should have been left your ass. All right, babes. So we are officially done. It's 6:35, so I'm super late, or behind schedule. But this is what the pantry is looking like now. Y'all know before it was a hot ASS mess. So this is what everything is looking like. I've got everything in its respected location, area, spot, whatever you want to call it. Really? Creep. So, and then this side, for now, I just stacked everything up because I haven't put that thing together yet. I'm tired, man. I want to edit, eat, and bathe and call it a night. So I just stacked everything up over here for now. Once I put that storage thing up, everything that's here will be on the storage thing, and I'll probably take some of this stuff from here and kind of stack it up. Right here I actually have these storage shelves that I need to put together as well, so that I can kind of stack stuff on the shelves. So like this area here, there's a lot of space here. If you guys can see that, there's a lot of space still that I can utilize. So I'm gonna use those for that. So yeah, guys, that is the pantry. It is clean and organized for now. And yeah, that's that. Also, I finished up the ribs for dinner, and this is what they look like. Boy, get out the way. Looks so good. Let me show y'all something. If your ribs don't do this, I don't want them. I don't want them. So yeah, guys, that is going to complete this vlog. I'm going to finish up dinner. I'm gonna just make some baked beans and macaroni to go with this. I'm gonna finish up this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I think tomorrow is day 4? 3? 4? I think 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So tomorrow's day 4. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Bye.